Christmas Day. My heart will be with you on Christmas Day. No matter where I am or where I chance to be, when serving Christmas dinner, save a place for